Lift door up and off of the enclosure. Unscrew handle screws from the door and place screws and magnet stop in a safe spot. Put screw through metal magnet stop, ensuring the bumps are facing out when attached to the enclosure. Put screw with magnet stop through the back side of the door. Hand screw the screws in about halfway. Then do the same on the other side of the handle. Tighten screws completely. Make sure that the magnet stop stays as straight as possible. Reattach both front and back doors.